Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this DOVOH 4D self-leveling laser. So this is great for contractors. This is great for like installing ceilings, installing flooring, anything that you may have to do on the wall or on the floor or on the ceiling within your house or business. This is perfect for you. Check out this unboxing experience. I really do like the quality they put into this unboxing experience. You've got a battery right here, another battery right here, nice and wrapped up, by the way. Here is the actual laser level. So as you can see, you've got the different spots for the lasers to exit. It's got 2 horizontal as well as 2 vertical lasers, and it's self-leveling, so no need to really put in any work. This has a tripod mount, but it also is magnetic, so you can stick it onto any kind of magnetic surface you have within your work area. Back here you've got the battery charger. You've got this target plate, USB-C to USB-A charging cable. This is where you can really get fancy and install this. There are various ways to clamp this down. Here is a little remote control, horizontal, vertical, brightness. And here is a wall brick for the charger. So this really does include everything. Another piece right here. And then the user manual. So there's not really too much to it. It definitely looks more complicated than it really is. This is a great carry case for carrying this thing around. It's got the strap to hold on to it, so you can bring it with you wherever you go. This will keep everything nice and protected. Very high quality instrument. Highly recommend you get it. Thanks for watching.